वेलकम टू जीके एक पाठशाला। जीके एक पाठशाला में आप सभी का स्वागत है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सभी कुशल और स्वस्थ होंगे। दोस्तों, हमारे इस पाठशाला में जो भी नए हैं उनसे निवेदन करता हूँ लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस परिवार का हिस्सा बने। साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which portal is launched by Central Bureau of Narcotics to simplify the licensing and exim authorizations? केंद्रीय नारकोटिक्स ब्यूरो द्वारा लाइसेंसिंग और एग्जिम अधिकारणों को आसान बनाने के लिए कौन सा पोर्टल लॉन्च किया गया है? ऑप्शन ए आइसगेट 2.0 पोर्टल, ऑप्शन बी यूनिफाइड पोर्टल ऑफ सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ नारकोटिक्स, ऑप्शन सी आदर्श सेवा पोर्टल या ऑप्शन डी नवनिर्माण पोर्टल। उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी यूनिफाइड पोर्टल ऑफ सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ नारकोटिक्स। द यूनिफाइड पोर्टल ऑफ सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ नारकोटिक्स has been launched by the Central Bureau of Narcotics with an objective to simplify the licensing and exim authorization issued by the Bureau. The portal was launched by the Revenue Secretary Sri Sanjay Malhotra. The unified portal would enhance the efficiency, transparency and accountability in department signatures. With twofold objectives, cater the needs of pharma and chemical industry, ensure availability of the essential narcotic drugs and medicines. Question number 2. What is colistin, which is in the news recently? कोलिस्टिन क्या है जो हाल ही में खबरों में है? ऑप्शन ए आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सा, ऑप्शन बी कोविड संस्करण, ऑप्शन सी एंटीबायोटिक दवा या ऑप्शन डी फंगस। उत्तर है ऑप्शन सी एंटीबायोटिक दवा। कोलिस्टिन इज एन एंटीबायोटिक ड्रग which is used to treat bacterial infections caused by susceptible gram-negative bacteria. Generally, it is used as a last resort when all other drugs do not respond. It is also called as polymyxin E. Recently, researchers in Los Angeles of USA have found bacteria that resist this drug in the US County's wastewater. Question number 3. Which space agency has released the image of Crab Nebula? इस अंतरिक्ष एजेंसी ने क्रैब नेबुला की छवि जारी की है? ऑप्शन ए इसरो, ऑप्शन बी यूरोपीय अंतरिक्ष एजेंसी, ऑप्शन सी रोसकॉस्मोस या ऑप्शन डी नासा। उत्तर है ऑप्शन डी नासा। Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant and pulsar wind nebula found in the Taurus constellation, which is located 6,500 light years from Earth. Its image, which was captured using imaging X-ray polarimetry explorer spacecraft, was released by NASA. Using the IXPE, scientists have mapped the iconic Crab Nebula's magnetic field in greater detail than ever before. Question number 4. Where is Zojila tunnel being constructed? कहाँ जोजिला सुरंग का निर्माण किया जा रहा है? ऑप्शन ए हिमाचल प्रदेश, ऑप्शन बी असम, ऑप्शन सी जम्मू और कश्मीर या ऑप्शन डी अरुणाचल प्रदेश। उत्तर है ऑप्शन सी जम्मू और कश्मीर। द जोजिला टनल, which would be Asia's longest tunnel once completed, is being constructed in Jammu and Kashmir to establish all-weather connectivity for Ladakh. 19 tunnels are being constructed in Jammu and Kashmir at a cost of 25,000 crores, of which the major one is the Zojila Tunnel. With the construction of this 14.15 km tunnel, there will be all-weather connectivity for Ladakh, which will cut down travel time to cross the Zojila Pass from 3 hours to 20 minutes. Question number 5. As of 2022, which country is the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka? 2022 तक कौन सा देश श्रीलंका का सबसे बड़ा द्विपक्षीय ऋणदाता है? ऑप्शन ए भारत, ऑप्शन बी चीन, ऑप्शन सी ऑस्ट्रेलिया या ऑप्शन डी अमेरिका। उत्तर है ऑप्शन ए भारत। India has become the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka by disbursing a total of $968 million in loans in 4 months of 2022, surpassing China. China has maintained its position as the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka in the past 5 years of 2017 to 2021. Asian Development Bank has been the largest multilateral lender in the past 5 years by disbursing an amount of $610 million in 2021. Question number 6. Which is the first Indian to win 4 medals at World Wrestling Championship? विश्व कुश्ती चैंपियनशिप में 4 पदक जीतने वाले पहले भारतीय कौन हैं? ऑप्शन ए विनेश फोगाट, ऑप्शन बी बजरंग पूनिया, ऑप्शन सी बबीता कुमारी या ऑप्शन डी गीता फोगाट। उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी बजरंग पूनिया। India's Bajrang Punia recently won bronze in men's 65 kg category at World Wrestling Championship in Belgrade. With this medal, Bajrang Punia becomes first Indian to win 4 medals at World Wrestling Championship. He won bronze in 2013, silver in 2018 and bronze in 2019. Another Indian wrestler, Vinesh Fogart, captured a bronze medal in the women's 53 kg category. Question number 7. Mircha rice, which recently received GI tag, is from which state or union territory? मिर्चा चावल जिसे हाल ही में GI टैग मिला है, किस राज्य या केंद्र शासित प्रदेश से है? ऑप्शन ए बिहार, ऑप्शन बी उत्तराखंड, ऑप्शन सी ओडिशा या ऑप्शन डी सिक्किम। उत्तर है ऑप्शन ए बिहार। Mircha rice from Bihar, West Champaran recently received GI tag. Since this rice size and shape appear like a black pepper, it is known as mircha or marcha rice. This rice is famous for its aroma, palatability and its aromatic rice flag making qualities. The cooked rice is fluffy, non-sticky, sweet and easily digestible. Question number 8. When is the World Homeopathy Day observed every year? हर साल विश्व होम्योपैथी दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? ऑप्शन ए 1 अप्रैल, ऑप्शन बी 5 अप्रैल, ऑप्शन सी 10 अप्रैल या ऑप्शन डी 15 अप्रैल। उत्तर है ऑप्शन सी 10 अप्रैल। The World Homeopathy Day is celebrated each year on April 10 to pay tribute to homeopathy and its contribution to the world of medicine. The day is observed on the birth anniversary of German physician Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy. Homeopathy is one of the popular alternative medical systems in India. Question number 9. Which state or union territory has announced to set up the Education Service Selection Commission? किस राज्य या केंद्र शासित प्रदेश ने शिक्षा सेवा चयन आयोग स्थापित करने की घोषणा की है? ऑप्शन ए गुजरात, ऑप्शन बी उत्तर प्रदेश, ऑप्शन सी राजस्थान या ऑप्शन डी ओडिशा। उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी उत्तर प्रदेश। The UP Education Service Selection Commission will be set up by the Uttar Pradesh government for the teachers recruitment in the state. It will be responsible for conducting the UP Teachers Eligibility Test exam. Teachers in basic, secondary, higher and technical colleges in the state will be selected through the Autonomous Commission. Question number 10. Which institution launched the C-Whistle app? किस संस्थान ने C-Whistle ऐप लॉन्च किया? ऑप्शन ए भारत का सर्वोच्च न्यायालय, ऑप्शन बी भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक, ऑप्शन सी इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन, या ऑप्शन डी भारत चुनाव आयोग। उत्तर है ऑप्शन डी भारत चुनाव आयोग। C-Whistle app was launched by the Election Commission of India to fast-track complaints regarding the Model Code of Conduct violations. It is currently playing a critical role in enforcing the Model Code of Conduct and preventing irregularities in the polling process. Question number 11. Rabbit hemorrhagic disease is prevalently spreading in which country? खरगोश रक्तस्रावी रोग किस देश में प्रचलित रूप से फैल रहा है? ऑप्शन ए अमेरिका, ऑप्शन बी न्यूजीलैंड, ऑप्शन सी यूके या ऑप्शन डी रूस। उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी न्यूजीलैंड। Rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus is a contagious and deadly viral hepatitis that affects adult, domesticated and wild rabbits. The rabbits are threatening the biodiversity and agriculture of the southern region of central Otago. New Zealand is currently considering the use of the virus that causes this disease to cull the rabbits, which are turning into a plague. Question number 12. How many villages are covered under the My Village, My Heritage program? मेरा गांव मेरी विरासत कार्यक्रम के तहत कितने गांव शामिल हैं? ऑप्शन ए 1000, ऑप्शन बी 10,000, ऑप्शन सी 1 लाख या ऑप्शन डी 10 लाख। उत्तर है ऑप्शन सी 1 लाख। माई विलेज माई हेरिटेज प्रोग्राम इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड अंडर द एजिस ऑफ द नेशनल मिशन ऑफ कल्चरल मैपिंग। NMCM seeks to develop a comprehensive database of art form, artists and other resources across India. Over 1 lakh villages have been covered under this program. Question number 13. Hay fever is associated with which country? Hay fever किस देश से संबंधित है? ऑप्शन ए जापान, ऑप्शन बी चीन, ऑप्शन सी ऑस्ट्रेलिया या ऑप्शन डी यूके। उत्तर है ऑप्शन ए जापान। Japan's hay fever is the seasonal allergic reaction caused due to large quantities of pollen from trees during the springtime. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida recently made commitment to combat this health issue. It is a significant health issue in Japan during the spring months and affects millions of people each year. Question number 14. Which state is associated with the Electronic Knowledge Network? कौन सा राज्य इलेक्ट्रॉनिक नॉलेज नेटवर्क से जुड़ा है? ऑप्शन ए कर्नाटक, ऑप्शन बी असम, ऑप्शन सी बिहार या ऑप्शन डी गुजरात। उत्तर है ऑप्शन सी बिहार। Railtel Corporation of India Limited recently bagged an order worth around 76.10 crores from Bihar State Electronics Development Corporation to implement and manage electronic knowledge network. This project will be implemented in the academic administrative building of Government Engineering College and Polytechnic Institute within the state. Question number 15. The Stand Up India scheme has been extended till which year? स्टैंड अप इंडिया योजना को किस वर्ष तक के लिए बढ़ा दिया गया है? ऑप्शन ए 2025, ऑप्शन बी 2027, ऑप्शन सी 2030 या ऑप्शन डी 2050। उत्तर है ऑप्शन ए 2025। The Stand Up India scheme was launched in 2016 to promote entrepreneurship focusing on economic empowerment and job creation. The scheme has been extended till 2025. Average 40,700 crore was sanctioned under the Stand Up India scheme over the 7 years of its implementation. Around 80% of the loans under this scheme were provided to women. Question number 16. Gaia mission, which was seen in the news, is associated with which space agency? खबरों में रहा गैया मिशन किस अंतरिक्ष एजेंसी से जुड़ा है? ऑप्शन ए इसरो, ऑप्शन बी नासा, ऑप्शन सी ईएसए या ऑप्शन डी जाक्सा। उत्तर है ऑप्शन सी ईएसए। Gaia mission, the ESA project, seeks to understand the formation of the Milky Way and its present nature. With this mission's data, the space agency has discovered a new family of black holes. These two black holes are believed to be the closest to the Earth. Question number 17. Which country launched the Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative? किस देश ने यूक्रेन सुरक्षा सहायता पहल शुरू की? ऑप्शन ए अमेरिका, ऑप्शन बी यूके, ऑप्शन सी ऑस्ट्रेलिया या ऑप्शन डी जर्मनी। उत्तर है ऑप्शन ए अमेरिका। Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative was launched by the US to increase Ukraine's capability to defend itself from Russia's aggression. Under this initiative, $2.6 billion military aid package was announced by the US. USAI is an authority under which the United States procures capabilities from industry. Question number 18. Which country has recently voted to ban rental e-scooters? किस देश ने हाल ही में किराए की ई स्कूटर पर प्रतिबंध लगाने के लिए मतदान किया है? ऑप्शन ए अमेरिका, ऑप्शन बी भारत, ऑप्शन सी फिनलैंड या ऑप्शन डी फ्रांस। उत्तर है ऑप्शन डी फ्रांस। In a non-binding referendum held in France, 89.03% of the votes cast were opposed to the freestanding scooters, which are booked on a short-term basis through apps. The rental e-scooters, which were introduced in 2018 to promote green alternative for cars. The city will completely ban this device by September 1 this year. Question number 19. World Health Organization WHO certified which countries as malaria free recently? विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन WHO ने हाल ही में किन देशों को मलेरिया मुक्त प्रमाणित किया है? ऑप्शन ए भारत और श्रीलंका, ऑप्शन बी अजरबैजान और तजाकिस्तान, ऑप्शन सी पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान या ऑप्शन डी नेपाल और बांग्लादेश। उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी अजरबैजान और तजाकिस्तान। Recently, the World Health Organization certified Azerbaijan and Tajikistan as malaria-free countries. They succeeded in eliminating the Anopheles mosquito-borne disease in their territories. In Tajikistan and Azerbaijan, the last cases of regional spread of Plasmodium vivax malaria were discovered in 2012 and 2014. Question number 20. Salar de Atacama is the largest salt flat found in which country? सालार दे अटकामा किस देश में पाया जाने वाला सबसे बड़ा नमक का मैदान है? ऑप्शन ए अर्जेंटीना, ऑप्शन बी चिली, ऑप्शन सी दक्षिण अफ्रीका या ऑप्शन डी ब्राजील। उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी चिली। Salar de Atacama is Chile's largest salt flat. Much of the country's lithium deposits are found in this region. Chile is planning to collaborate with India to tap into the lithium value chain. The copper producing nation Chile holds the world's largest non-lithium reserve. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share.